my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 5 Around the World. Chapter number 43. Ukraine-Russia War. The attack on Ukraine by Russia is potentially the onset of war in Europe on top of Russia's behest for an end to NATO's eastward expansion. So the launch of the major invasion by Russia on Ukraine that started with air and missile assaults on Ukraine military targets before sending troops and tanks across the country's northern, eastern and southern borders. So on many fronts, the Ukrainian military fought back. In a video speech delivered on Friday, February 25, President Volodymyr Zelensky announced that 137 people had been killed, including troops and civilians, and that 100 more had been injured. So read and learn the following question answer about Ukraine and Russia war. What the conflict between Russia and Ukraine? So the conflict between Russia and Ukraine can be traced back to 2014 when the Ukraine Revolution of Dignity started, which focused on Crimea and Donbass. When did Ukraine steal from Russia? When in 1991 Soviet Union or USSR was dissolved, Ukraine was separated from it. What parts of Ukraine does Russia control? Russia controls Crimea and parts of Donbass, which are internationally recognized as the parts of Ukraine. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine is since 2014 for these areas. Question number 4. When did the war between Ukraine and Russia start? 2022. So on 24 Feb 2022, Ukraine was attacked by Russia for a military invasion, and it is a consequence of the Russo-Ukrainian conflict, which was started in 2014. Is Ukraine part of NATO? The relations of Ukraine with NATO can be traced back to 1992, just 1 year after its separation from USSR. Okay, so Ukraine also joined the North Atlantic Cooperation Council, which was later renamed as the Euro-Atlantic Partnership Council. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 43. 44. Chapter number 44. World Tour. Chapter number 44, World Tour. Hello friends, let's start our adventures in quiz and this year with a quick tour around the world. Write the correct letters from the relevant pictures alongside the clues. It is green and beautiful. It is also called emerald isle. Option is C. कौन सा flag है? C. The Cathedral of Notre Dame is located here. Option F. The Matterhorn is located in this country. Its capital is Bern. I. The Statue of Liberty is located here. Answer number 4 is J. USA. Mount Cook is the highest peak here. This was the first country to allow women to vote. H. E, F, G, H. This country has the oldest parliament, I think. Number 6. E. This one. This country's capital is Phnom Penh. B. The Haji Ali Dargah is located here, India. G. The capital of this country is Damascus. It is also called the Pearl of the East. Number 9. D. Till 2011, this was the largest country in Africa. Its capital is Khartoum. It is option A. Okay, so students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 45. Various dresses. The clothes we wear a lot about us. We dress according to the climate and environment of the place we live in. Identify these dresses and headgear with the parts of the world where they are traditionally worn by writing the correct letters in the boxes. Okay, let me start. Arctic region. No, heavy jacket usually with a hood and fur lining to protect the face and body from extreme cold. Option is C. G. Bunad. Arctic region. Traditional costumes and scarves with elaborated designs embroidered with silver or gold threads and jewelries. B. Norway. Hakama, ankle length plaited skirts traditionally worn by men but now also worn by women. Japan. Sarong, a large piece of cloth wrapped around the waist worn by men and women. Southeast Asia. F. Mekhla, a piece of cloth wrapped around the waist worn with the chadar, which is wrapped around the upper part of the body. So option is C. India. Kamonto, a decorative pocho-like garment. 6. Option is D. Chile. Yushanke, a fur cap with ear flaps to protect ears and chin from the cold. Number 7 is H. Russia. Mantilla, like a lace or silk scarf. Spain. E. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. Trip to the museum. Look at the pictures and find out in which museum of the world you can view them. Pick your answers from the help box. Number 1. C. National Air India Space Museum. National Air Space Air and Space Museum. Space Museum. Okay. Now number 2. The Museum of Modern Art. F. Museum of Modern Art, New York City. Museum of Modern Art, New York. Oh, now number 3. The Vatican Museum and Galleries. The Vatican Museum and Gallery. Number 4. It is the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Metropolitan Museum of Art. Number 5. A. Louvre, Paris. Number 6. D. Salar Jung Museum. Number 7. Rijksmuseum, Amsterdam. Number 8. Egyptian Museum. Now number 9 is National Rail Museum. National Rail Museum. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 47. Sobriquets. Match the following column A and B. Okay, let me start. The land of lilies. Canada. The pink city, Jaipur. The Holy Land, Palestine. The land of thunderbolt, Bhutan. The land of cakes, Scotland. The herring pond, Atlantic Ocean. The world's bread basket, number 7. L of and North America, prairies of North America. L. The island continent, Australia. The land of morning calm, Korea. H. The sick man of Europe, Turkey. M. The playground of Europe, Switzerland. The Pearl of Antilles, Cuba. The White Man's Grave, Guinea Coast. O. The Garden City of India, Bangalore. The land of thousand lakes, Finland. The land of golden pagoda, Myanmar. J. The city of skycaps, New York. The cockpit of Europe, Belgium. The eternal city, Rome. The city of palace, Kolkata. S. Okay? Done? So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 48. Leaders of an era. Write the names of the countries to which these leaders belong. Use the help box to identify the correct answer. 1. Argentina. China. Cuba. USSR. Next one, USA, UK, India, 8 and 9. Pakistan, Vietnam. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 49. As we know them. Some people are known to us by special names. Write the special names by which we know the people given in the figures below. Pick your answer from the help box. Joan of Arc. Maid of Orleans. Eldrick Woods. Tiger. PT Usha, Golden Girl. Napoleon Bonaparte. Little Cowper. Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev. And next, number 6, Chi. William Shakespeare. The Bard of Avon. Bhagat Singh, Shaheed-e-Azam. Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 50. Oh, sorry. अभी ये रहता है. Next, number 10. Desert Fox. Iron Man. And the Fab Four. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 50. National Parks. A national park is a part of land that is owned by the government to protect the natural environment and wildlife. Read about some world famous national parks. The Gir Forest National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat, India is considered to be one of the most important protected areas in Asia. This park is the only place where Asiatic lions are found. The park also has about 300 leopards, making it one of the major big cat concentrations in Asia. The Yosemite National Park in California, USA has deep valleys, giant square trees and waterfalls. It also has hundreds of animal species. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. The Amboseli National Park in Africa is a great attraction for tourists, not just for its wildlife, but also because of the grand views of Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa. Visitors to the park are asked to keep to the roads there because it can damage the plants and trees on which the animals feed. Uluru Kata is a famous national park in Australia, established in 1958. Ayers Rock or Uluru is located in this park. So the Aborigines of Australia believe that Uluru was formed from a large, flat sandhill at the time the earth was created. Name the countries where these famous national parks are located. 1. Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, Australia. Kaziranga National Park, India. The Panti National Park, Costa Rica. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. Keolado National Park, India. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 51. Parliaments. The parliaments of different countries have special names. Parliament is the highest law-making body of any country. So write the name of the countries of which the following are the parliaments. Okay. So number 1, ये है India. Number 2, Spain. Number 3, Sweden. Number 4, is Denmark. 5, Poland. And the next is Japan, America. Number 8, Cambodia. And the last one is Iran. Okay. So dear students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 52. Famous sites of the world. Read the clues and write the names of the famous sites. Number 1. The dash is made by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Taj Mahal. Number 2. The dash is about 300 meter 84 feet tall metal tower in Paris. It was built by Gustave Eiffel. So it is Eiffel Tower. The dash is nearly 2,400 kilometers, 1,500 miles long. It is the only structure made by man that can be seen from the moon. ये है the Great Wall of China. Number 4. The dash is the statue which has the head of a man and the body of a lion. It is in Gizeh. Number 4. Sphinx. The dash is the tallest tower of the world. It is situated in Toronto, Canada. It is 553 meter, 1815 high. Number 5. CN Tower. The dash is a 55 meter, 180 feet tower and Italy. It is made of white marble. ये है Tower of Pisa. Tower of Pisa. The dash is a 95 meter, 305 feet high statue of a lady with a torch in her hand. This is situated at the New York Harbor, USA. ये है Statue of Liberty. The dash is a 19 meter, 320 feet tall clock tower in London and has a bell wing, 13.5 tons. It is a part of the British Parliament building. ये है Big Ben. It is Big Ben. Okay. So students, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all these chapters. We will meet to the next class. Thank you.